Good morning everyone, this is me Ashi in front of you. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir who give me this wonderful opportunity, and I take this opportunity. So today we have a graphical presentation. We have a one picture behind of me that is representing the life. So there are four people who is looking outside of the window. The window is representing the beauty and the meaning of the life. So there are four people are standing over the different combination like the books and the money. Books is representing the knowledge and money is representing the wealth and success. The first one, he is standing over the money. That means he has a lots of money in his life and he is able to see the view also, and the money gives him a higher position in his life, but he don't have a knowledge because he don't have a books. Like if he want to do in something in his life, he can achieve anything in his life because he have a money, but he don't have a knowledge how to use it wisely. So if I talk about the second person who is standing over the books, that means and he is not even to look outside of the window because he don't have a money, and because of that because in knowledge is not enough also. If I talk about the third person who is standing over the both of them, he has a balance in his life. He know how to balance education and the money also. If he want anything in his life, he can achieve. And he also know how to use it wisely. And or he is able to see the view also like the first one. If I talk about the fourth person, he is standing over the floor. He don't have a books and the money. That means he is also not able to see the view because he don't have both of them. That is why the moral of the story, if we have a money and knowledge, both of them, we can enjoy our life and we are able to see our life. So that is why the whole picture is representing life. Thank you for listening me.